Thank you. Right this way.
R2-D2, just what do you think you're doing? Get back to work before they deactivate. Yes, ma'am. Hurry up. They'll leave this castle any moment. No, I don't feel sorry for you at all.
For those of you who've never been, it's really exciting. And if you're going, here's a little tip. Put all your credits on the Don't ask me how I know. We joined our Ranger. It's a dream come true.
Look at you. Let's keep it moving, let's keep it close. My sensors tell me that some of you have been through here before. Don't worry, we fixed the scanner problem and I'm happy to see it hasn't affected you at all. Or is it? Maybe you're... Moving smooth. How's the weather out there? No need to answer, I don't really care. I don't get out that much. Okay now, everyone's... Oh, right. And this thing is extremely fast.
You'll see when you get in there.
Please pay attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors are open, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seats. To fasten your restraint, use the yellow strap to pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt over the buckle on your left. For your safety, remain seated throughout your flight with your restraints securely fastened, and please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados, con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado, y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Do not put on your flight glasses until instructed to do so by a crew member. One final reminder, smoking and photography are never permitted on any Star Tours flight. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a Star Tours agent. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
Star Tours, 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401, that's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Stop right there.
Don't shoot!
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
They're a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I've never seen that creature before. Oh dear. Gotta go!
Don't be a fool. You are no match for the power of the dark side.
stay alive. You're gonna need some cover.
Thank the bacon. Shoot! I knew you had that back this instant. Now to fight getting us out of this dreadful place. The transmission.
This is Poe Dameron with the Resistance.
Commander Dameron.
3PO? R2, what are you doing here?
Well, sir, it all began.
Rhetorical question. Listen up. There is someone aboard your ship vital to our mission.
The spy. Is this mission sanctioned?
Let's say it is. Anyway, rendezvous at the coordinates I'm transmitting to R2. Good luck, and you know the rest.
The rest sounds rather perilous to me. I don't think we can... Are you sure these are the right coordinates? Thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you on the
You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Goodbye.